Put on his.
I earned it.
Okay, let's see how you sound.
How do I sound? I think it's very appropriate that these dim arrangements that we had started this evening with three very attractive, skilled young ladies from the Wellness Center. And I think it's appropriate that he ends the program with three or four, how many people here? Not from the Wellness Center. Don't make it that way. Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue what we did a couple of years ago, and I know you all have been thrilled by your skill at making omelets since that time. However, there's some people here who we're happy to say are new. So we have to introduce them to get them into the feel of true French cooking. Hats are expendable, but maybe the hatter, I don't know. But tonight we're going to we have now moved ourselves from the left bank as well as the right bank to the Boulangerie des Collines. That has nothing to do with lingerie. It has to do with making bread. And I wish to say that making bread, of course, is fundamental. Okay, we have the omelets, but without the bread, you don't have much to do with the omelet. Well, let me second of all, introduce my colleagues here. On my left is Linda Keschl, and Linda, who is also known as Gigi, also known as
Gigi.
She has been supposedly on, leave, shall we call, for 6 months. She tried to tell us that she wasn't feeling well. Well, I understand she spent the time, something like Mozart's wife used to, in the spas at Baden-Baden.
I was just on vacation.
Taking the waters, as they say.
Yes.
I just reminded her today, she hasn't received the bill yet, has she? Mozart used to pay the bill by writing a couple of ditties. So we're waiting for Linda's ditties. On my right is a gentleman, sick, whom you all met before, we'll just introduce, and whom we badly miss. But he's going to try in this 10 minutes or so to fill in the time he's missed. How many months is it now, Mike?
A year.
A year. That's 12 months.
So 14 months.
14 months for Mike, yeah.
That was a math joke, that didn't go.
So he's going to keep it to 140 minutes here.
How many is that? We don't need a notes, we just keep them here in case you were to. But anyway, after the introduction, the next thing now is to truly get to our task tonight, namely making the bread. And I want to show you, we're making two types of bread tonight. You may think, well, does that mean rye and whole wheat or sour something or other? But no, it means on one hand, regular, healthy, delicious whole wheat, but not entirely whole wheat, a little guppy stuff done in there. And the other one, I feel a little defensive on the second one. It's an anti-gluten, a non-gluten bread. Now, we understand that there's a very strong anti-gluten lobby here and that they're very touchy and can be quite aggressive. Just assure we have in the bread that we're making for them will only be the healthy stuff. Oatmeal, rice, quinoa. You all know what that is. They grow it up in the Andes Mountains. But anyway, it grows down here. And all of this buckwheat. I don't know why it's called wheat at all. It's not wheat. How the buck got in? Well, anyway, it was buckwheat. And these things, we assure you, will add up. It's to the benefit of everyone here, the benefit of our anti-glutenists. This will, we assure you, is devoid of any nutritional value whatever. Well, now let's start off with the bread.
We were going to start off with your song, Bob, right?
Oh, the song, we forgot. The gem. This is the song we want to welcome you to. So, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Back in the kitchen again,
Where even a fiend is a friend. The flies on the wall are heading for the soul. Back in the kitchen again.
Thank you and good night.
So now, what goes into the bread?
So Bob, just remember that we have to keep this to 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, Bob.
How can you make it burn in 5 minutes? It takes an hour.
Is that okay, Jim? Is that okay?
More or less, more or less.
45?
Okay, what goes into this?
Takes an hour to make bread, right, Bob?
Not our bread. Now, what goes into the bread? Well, first of all, flour. Right? We need flour in Mike. It's mixed. It's mostly buttermilk. Okay, let's have the buttermilk now. Yeah, we gotta put some water in. What people will do to make a living. Now the buttermilk. Did we ever eat in addition to buttermilk, we do need butter.
We don't need a microphone.
People you think this is part of the act, right? Well, let's see. Oh, we need eggs. Boy, this is a healthy meal.
I can't see.
We have to maintain our sang-froid,
But I know you're over there.
cold-bloodedness. Now we got to. I think we've done the regular bread.
Okay, now we're done.
Now.
Where's the full loaf at?
Butter.
Oh, now let's do the gluten-free bread. Our gluten-free or gluten-full position now.
Gluten-free.
Okay, gluten-free. Now we have rice.
Hold on.
And we have, let's see, Metamucil here. Does this go into it?
Yeah, but Metamucil.
Butter again.
Butter.
They
Butter.
butter.
Whole stick of butter.
And some, honey, yeah. Honey.
It's about 10 years old. This side coming out.
Who wants me to say that?
All for the cause.
Molasses.
That's real earthy stuff. Oh, and speaking of that, we do need some good old earth in here, don't we? I think that's pretty much it, don't you? Oh no, cardboard. This is a special kind of cardboard. It brings out the taste.
Yes.
Because it tastes like cardboard anyway, right? Right, Molly?
I think Mike did our anti-gluten bread.
Yeast. Now we have yeast.
Oh, you gotta have yeast, yeah.
We've lost the yeast. Pretend we're putting yeast.
I have some in my pocket here. I'm sure, there it is.
All right, Bob.
Okay.
All right, Bob, old men.
on an old yeast is slow to rise.
Thank you and good night.
Don't tell me what we'll make next year, it's a pretty good resolution.
Talk about class. It's nice to have our professional chefs here. Okay.